How to reactivate Instagram account. So from in there, let's first try to deactivate it. Click on these three lines and click on this account center, and then from in there, head over right here to your personal details and click on this account ownership and control, the activation deletion, and then just head over and then deactivate your Instagram account and then enter your password and do all of those things. Once you have deactivated, you will be prompted at the login page of your actual Instagram. So let me show you what the actual login page looks like. So from in here, we should be able to see the login page. But if this is not your account, you can click on this login to another account. In order to reactivate your Instagram account, you just need to put in here your username and password. Just log in as usual, and you don't need to do any steps. Just head over and click on this login button that you can see right here in the bottom. Then from there, you should be able to reactivate your Instagram account without any worries or stress. So that's how you reactivate Instagram account.